The word of God is a light, it is truth and full of grace. In my heart I keep it close to live according to your will. The word of God will never fade, it remains through all our days. I believe, I follow, I live in it. Your word has brought me life. In the trials that come my